All right, hey guys, OFD checking in here, and if you guys watch the channel, you know just the other day I did a review on the anthracite Sumo. I went ahead and put it back on the bracelet today, guys, to show you this watch real quick, because here I got in my new Strapcode Jubilee bracelet. So I wanted to show you the watch really quickly here on the factory bracelet. Now, they haven't really done anything to upgrade or change these Sumo bracelets since they came out, not that I'm aware of anyways. You can see the fit, you know, the lug fitment to the case, something that a lot of people have always kind of complained about. You know, this in-link looks a little bit too short. It doesn't match up really well. They match up to the case okay. They're a little bit wiggly. You've got a little bit of the Seiko jingle. They've really improved that quite a bit, but you still have folded clasps and everything like that. Solid in-links, which work well. Now, is it a garbage bracelet? No, it's not a junky bracelet. I just think that a lot could be done to improve this bracelet, and I think that it'd be a great idea for Seiko to, you know, with the money they're getting for these watches right now, to upgrade these bracelets slightly. At least make, you know, the lug fitment a little bit better like that. I just think that'd be great. But so down here I've got the new Jubilee for Sumos from Strapcode. I just ordered this the other day. It came to me very quickly. I do believe these come out of Hong Kong, if I'm not mistaken. I don't know if they have a local warehouse they're keeping them in here, but it did get to me super, super quickly. And this is the, gosh, it's like the Angus, Jubilee, Lewis, I don't know. It's got this really, really long name on it and everything. But here you go. Here's the packaging. Pretty straightforward from Strapcode. You guys can see there. Go ahead and pull it out of the package. Now they always, one of the things that Strapcode always provides is their own pins for the bracelets. And from what I've found in the ones that I've looked at in the past, is you really want to use those Strapcode pins. So they're very nice pins. They really work very well with the in-links on the bracelet. So one of the big things, and I'm going to go ahead and pull the plastic off here in just a second, and we'll get this, we'll take a closer look at it and get it on the watch. One of the biggest things with Sumos, if you're not aware, you know, early in when they first started coming out, people wanted to put straps on, and there's a long distance between where the spring bar holes are and the actual case side itself. They're actually down around here. So if you put like a straight in-link bracelet on it, you're going to have a big gap between the case of the watch and the in-link or leather or anything like that. So, you know, I have this strap that I've been wearing on a long time, and you can see how far set back the spring bars are. This is a Crafter Blue rubber strap. This is what I've been wearing the watch on since I got it. But so that was kind of plagued, you know, the Seiko Sumos, or people that wanted to upgrade the bracelets on, for quite a while. And then Strapcode, of course, started making new bracelets to match up with them. So I'm going to go ahead and get the plastic unwrapped off this. We'll throw it on the Sumo, see what it looks like. And then what I'll do is I'll take a minute, size it, and get it on my wrist to go out with a wrist shot. So stick around, guys. All right, so Jubilee is on the bracelet, guys, and it really does take the watch up a notch. I think so. I'm a big fan of Jubilee bracelets. Actually the only Seiko bracelet out there that I can manage to keep on a watch is the original Seiko Jubilee bracelet on my Seiko SKX011J. I actually like the jangly bracelet on this one, but this feels, or on that one I should say, this feels super rock solid. And one of the things I want to show you guys is look at where the lugs meet the case. You know, I mean, here's Strapcode, a company that doesn't even make this watch, but look at how well they match that up. I mean, it really takes it to the next level. You don't have that big gap, you know, where it drops down to the bracelet. It's just a really, really nice look. I think it finishes off the look of the watch overall. Good looking piece. And you have, instead of having the clasp assembly, you have milled scissor style clasp on here, of course solid in links, everything like that. And I did use the spring bars that came with the bracelet. They snapped right in, worked very, very well. So I'm going to go ahead and size it, and we'll put this watch on my 7-inch wrist and go out with a wrist shot with it to check it out. All right, guys, so there she is. If you guys are good at telling time, you know how long that took me to actually take 4 links out of the bracelet. It tends to, on my 7-inch wrist, 4 links tends to fit me just right. I love the way this feels. I love the way this thing looks. I wanted to show you, I didn't mention it to you, these are screw links, so it does have nice, big, beefy screws on it. They're threaded up here near the top end, so it does work real good. Nice, clean, solid links. Get that to adjust there, focus on the bracelet. But if you guys are looking for a Jubilee bracelet or a upgrade, I'd say, to your Sumo watch, and these definitely are an upgrade, there's no doubt about it. The way even just the way the lugs match up to the case makes it worth it. I mean, I really love that. So All right, guys, this has been the Angus Jubilee Lewis bracelet on the SBDC 097. Great looking combination. As a matter of fact, this is the watch I'm going to keep wearing for the rest of the evening. So, guys, if you like the video, give me a thumbs up down there at the bottom. And if you've not subscribed to the OFD channel yet, please do. Please do. Thanks, guys.